Glow with Shaheen. Arabic makeup sits best on hydrated skin, so start with moisturizer and primer. Arabic Glam usually has a flawless matte finish. Apply foundation using sponge, brush. Blend in tapping motions, no dragging. Apply concealer under eyes, forehead, nose, and chin. Blend in tapping motions, no dragging. Soft contouring is key. Arabic Glam has definition but still looks elegant. Blend cheekbones, jaw, nose. Set everything with loose powder. Bake under the eyes and cheekbones. This sharpens the face and makes the eyes stand out. Arabic brows are bold and structured, not too thin. Fill brows with pencil plus gel. Keep the front soft and feathered, and the rest defined. Now the star of the look, Arabic eyes. Start with a warm brown in the crease and blend outward to elongate the eyes. Create a half-cut crease. Add dark brown or black to the outer corner and blend like a smoky wing. Apply gold or bronze shimmer on the lid. Arabic Glam loves metallics. Show slow shimmer application. Now the iconic Arabic liner. Create a sharp wing, then connect it to the lower lash line. Fill the waterline with black Kajal. This makes the eyes look deep and irresistible. Smoke out the lower lash line with dark shadow to soften and intensify. Arabic makeup isn't complete without dramatic lashes. Apply mascara plus heavy lashes. The bigger the lashes, the more expressive the eyes become. Arabic lips are either deep burgundy or nude brown. Today I'm going nude because the eyes are the main focus. Line lips right pointing arrow fill. Now add a warm-toned blush, think peach or rosé. This balances the dramatic eyes. Add a glow on the high points, cheekbones, nose tip, Cupid's bow. Optional inner corner highlight. That little shimmer in the tear duct brings elegance.
So this is the complete look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I tried best to create bold eyes. So yeah, if you enjoyed this tutorial, please do let me know in the comment section. So please like, comment, share and subscribe for such more tutorials. See you soon.